Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where we turn everyday homes into spaces you genuinely love coming back to. I am so glad you are here today, because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse decor, entirely styled with beautiful, budget-friendly IKEA finds. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below telling me which room you are most excited to refresh this summer. Now, grab your iced coffee, get comfortable, and let's bring that warm, breezy farmhouse magic into every single corner of your home. First impressions matter, and your farmhouse exterior sets the entire mood. Think crisp white or warm grayish, that gorgeous blend of gray and beige, as your base wall color, paired with black-framed windows for that classic modern farmhouse contrast. Add a board and batten detail to your facade using simple painted planks for instant architectural character. Flank your front door with IKEA Fechka artificial boxwood topiaries in clean white planters. They stay lush all summer with zero maintenance. Hang a simple woven wreath on the door and paint it a soft sage green for a fresh, welcoming pop of summer color. Effortless and charming. Your entryway is the transitional space between the outside world and your sanctuary, so let's make it count. Start with IKEA's Hemnes shoe cabinet in white. Its clean shaker-style doors keep clutter beautifully hidden while adding that farmhouse cabinetry feel. Mount an IKEA pinning coat and hat rack above it, styled with a straw sun hat and a light linen tote for summer vibes. Add a Stockholm mirror with its wrought tan frame to bounce light around the space. Lay down a jute runner mat for natural texture underfoot. Finish with a small ceramic bowl on the cabinet top for keys, and a single stem of dried pampas grass in a simple bud vase. Simple, styled, and so welcoming. The living room is where farmhouse style truly gets to breathe. Anchor the space with IKEA's Kivik sofa in a warm oatmeal or soft linen slipcover. Slipcovers are a farmhouse staple because they are practical and casually beautiful. Layer your seating with IKEA girly throw blankets in muted sage and cream, and pile on cushions mixing ticking stripe and soft cotton textures. Bring in an IKEA Cinderlig coffee table in natural bamboo for that organic, wabi-sabi warmth. Style the surface with a stack of design books, a white pillar candle, and a small glass vase of fresh wildflowers. Mount a Ranurp floor lamp nearby for that golden, ambient evening glow. Earthy, airy, and undeniably summer. A farmhouse dining room should feel like every meal is a little celebration. Choose the IKEA oak veneer dining table. Its warm wood grain instantly brings that rustic, lived-in charm. Pair it with IKEA Ingolf chairs in white, or mix in a bench along one side for that relaxed, communal farmhouse energy. For your tablescape, layer a natural linen table runner down the center and arrange a trio of mismatched white ceramic vases with fresh sunflowers and eucalyptus. Use simple white dinner plates and add woven rattan placemats for texture. A cluster of LED pillar candles in varying heights adds soft, flickering warmth for evening dinners. Every meal becomes a moment worth savoring. The kitchen is where farmhouse design truly shines. Practical, beautiful, and full of heart. IKEA's Axstad cabinet fronts in matte white give you that classic shaker-style look at a fraction of custom cost. Pair them with IKEA's Vitzt open shelving for styling your most beautiful ceramics and glassware. Choose a stainless refrigerator and a simple stainless stove for that timeless farmhouse meets modern kitchen finish. Tuck a compact IKEA-compatible SMEG-style pastel coffee machine on the counter. A soft cream or sage green version adds the most delightful retro farmhouse charm. Hang a few woven herb baskets above the window. Style open shelves with white pitchers and wooden cutting boards, and add a small potted herb garden on the sill. Fresh, functional, and full of character. Every farmhouse home needs a family room that feels like a warm embrace at the end of the day. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall, Those horizontal white painted planks are the quintessential farmhouse feature, and frame it with IKEA best units in white oak for media storage that looks intentional and beautiful. Pull in a deep, sinkable IKEA Vimmel sectional sofa in warm gray or dusty blue for maximum comfort. Layer a large jute area rug underneath to ground the space and add that natural, earthy farmhouse texture. Toss in a chunky knit throw, stack some wicker baskets for blanket and toy storage, and place a wooden tray coffee table at the center. This is a room made for movie nights, board games, and real family memories. In today's world, a home needs to work as hard as you do, and it can still look gorgeous doing it. Create a multifunctional nook using IKEA's Alex desk in white, topped with a small, unique vintage-style brass desk clock for that charming, collected-over-time farmhouse character. Add a compact IKEA Calyx unit beside it for file storage, styled with woven baskets. Tuck in a small, vintage-inspired tabletop radio in cream or mint, a lovely nod to slow, intentional living. Separate the reading nook with a low IKEA faux Sinji armchair in natural birch, draped with a linen throw. A floor-to-ceiling IKEA Billy bookcase filled with linen-spine books and trailing pothose completes this beautifully purposeful corner of the home. Your bedroom should feel like the most serene place in the world, and Summer Farmhouse style delivers exactly that. Start with IKEA's Hemnes bed frame in white, its classic lines quietly beautiful against any wall. Layer your bedding using a white cotton duvet, a soft quilt in muted sage or dusty rose, and mix pillow textures, linen, cotton, and crochet for that effortlessly curated look. Hang sheer white linen curtains from IKEA Vidga's ceiling, track to frame your windows with billowy, light-diffusing softness. Add IKEA Kopperln bedside tables on each side, topped with wrought tan table lamps and a small ceramic dish for rings and trinkets. A dried floral arrangement on the dresser and a woven laundry basket in the corner complete this restful countryside escape. A farmhouse bathroom is all about creating that spa-like tranquility with natural materials and effortless elegance. Frame your vanity with IKEA's Godmorgen washstand in white, paired with a simple white ceramic vessel sink for that clean, architectural look. Choose matte black fixtures for your faucet and shower fittings. That contrast against white tile is pure modern farmhouse perfection. In the shower, use large white subway tiles stacked in a vertical herringbone pattern. Mount IKEA Kochgrund wooden bath accessories, towel hooks, soap dish, and a small shelf for warm, organic detailing. Roll white and sage green towels in a woven basket on the floor. Add a small potted eucalyptus bundle to the shower rod for a spa-fresh scent every single morning. Luxury on a lovely budget. Your garage deserves design love too, and a farmhouse-style garage is both practical and undeniably charming. Paint the walls a warm white and add a dark charcoal gray to the floor with concrete epoxy paint for a clean, polished base. Install IKEA Ivar shelving units along one wall. Their natural pine finish is perfectly farmhouse and endlessly adjustable for tools, sports gear, and seasonal storage. Use IKEA Pluggies bins in galvanized silver tones for organized, labeled storage that looks intentional. Hang a pegboard section for tools, styled with black metal hooks. Add a classic barn-style sliding door to any interior access point. Even a faux version using flat panel doors with black hardware creates that instantly recognizable farmhouse statement. Tidy, tough, and full of character. The farmhouse patio is where summer truly comes alive. It is an extension of your home's warmth into the open air. Start with IKEA Plar outdoor furniture in acacia wood. Its warm honey tones are perfectly farmhouse and weather beautifully with a little teak oil each season. Arrange a dining table and chairs for outdoor meals, and add a love seat with IKEA with removable outdoor cushions in soft white or sun-bleached stripe. String IKEA Solvenden solar-powered LED lights overhead in a relaxed canopy. They charge all day and glow beautifully at dusk with zero electricity cost. Add terracotta pots, overflowing with lavender, white geraniums, and trailing sweet potato vine. Lay an outdoor jute or weatherproof rug beneath the seating area to define the space. Pure golden hour farmhouse magic. One of the most important skills in farmhouse decorating is understanding layering, combining different textures to create spaces that feel rich, warm, and deeply intentional. The farmhouse palette draws from nature. Think linen, jute, rattan, reclaimed wood, white painted pine, and aged galvanized metal. The key is to vary scale and finish. Pair the rough weave of a jute rug with the softness of a linen throw. Contrast a shiny ceramic vase against a matte wooden tray. At IKEA, this is incredibly achievable. The Sinnerlig, Lustiger, and Spy Home collections all bring that beautiful natural material mix. Remember, in farmhouse design, nothing should look too matchy-matchy. Collected, curated imperfection is exactly the look you're going for. Summer farmhouse color is all about soft, sun-drenched warmth without ever feeling loud or overdone. Your foundation should always be white or warm cream. IKEA furniture in white is your best friend here because it creates that clean, airy canvas. Build your summer palette around dusty sage green, warm terracotta, soft butter yellow, and faded sky blue. These colors appear throughout IKEA's seasonal textile collections and are easy to introduce through cushions, throws, curtains, and ceramic accessories. Avoid stark, cool whites. Instead, choose warm whites that catch sunlight beautifully. A great farmhouse tip: bring in at least one nature-inspired green through a potted plant or botanical print in every single room. It ties the whole summer story together effortlessly. Nothing says summer farmhouse like the effortless beauty of botanicals brought indoors. Fresh flowers, dried grasses, potted herbs, and trailing greenery are the most affordable, highest-impact accessories you can add to any space. At IKEA, the Fetchka range of realistic artificial plants is a game-changer. The trailing ivy, pothos, and eucalyptus options look stunning on open shelves and in hanging planters. 4 real plants, group different heights together. A tall fiddle leaf fig beside a mid-height snake plant and a trailing pothos creates a lush, layered botanical moment. Use simple IKEA Senapskull terracotta finish pots or white ceramic lantleaf planters to keep it beautifully farmhouse. Always add at least one fresh stem or bloom to your dining table and bathroom. The difference is magical. In farmhouse design, it is the small details that transform a house into a home full of personality and heart. Think about what you love. Vintage-inspired typography prints in white frames, a wooden letterboard with a sweet summer quote, a stack of linen-covered books, a hand-thrown ceramic mug on a tray. At IKEA, the Arenen with Dyersen rattan storage baskets, Sacherkaka white ceramic serveware, and IKEA 365 Plus glass jars used as bud bases are all endlessly versatile farmhouse styling tools. Cluster items in odd numbers. 3s and 5s feel natural and balanced. Vary heights within each vignette, your word for a small, styled arrangement. And always leave a little breathing room. In farmhouse design, white space is just as beautiful as the objects themselves. Refreshing your home for summer does not have to mean a complete overhaul, and with IKEA, it absolutely does not have to mean spending a fortune. The smartest summer swap you can make is your textiles. Swap out heavier winter cushion covers and throws for lightweight linen versions in summer tones. IKEA's girly Lingfriken and Soethringabavnja with Dyresarke. Textile lines are seasonal, affordable, and incredibly easy to swap in and out. Change a lamp shade to rattan. Swap dark tray colors for natural wood. Add a single new plant. These micro-updates, small, intentional changes to existing spaces, cost very little but create a completely fresh seasonal feeling throughout your home. Budget-savvy and beautifully done. Lighting in a farmhouse home should always feel warm, layered, and a little magical, like golden afternoon sun filtering through linen curtains. Avoid single overhead lights that create flat, unflattering illumination. Instead, work in 3 layers: ambient lighting from a ceiling pendant, task lighting from a table or floor lamp, and accent lighting from candles or LED string lights. IKEA's Ranurp collection, with its classic metal shades in off-white and black, is absolutely perfect for farmhouse kitchens and reading corners. The photo pendant in natural cork is a beautifully warm, organic choice for dining rooms. Always choose warm white bulbs around 2700 K color temperature for that honey gold farmhouse glow. The right light does not just illuminate a room, it completely transforms its mood. Before we wrap up, here is your complete room-by-room summer farmhouse refresh checklist to take with you. For exteriors, add planters, paint the door, hang a wreath. Entryway, declutter with hidden storage, add a mirror and a jute mat. Living room, swap textiles, add botanicals, layer your rugs. Dining room, dress your table with linen and fresh flowers. Kitchen, style open shelves and add a small appliance in a fun color. Family room, layer comfort with throws and a jute rug. Office and reading nook, add a desk clock, a radio, and a cozy armchair. Bedroom, layer bedding and add linen curtains. Bathroom, add wooden accessories and eucalyptus. Garage, organize with open shelving. Patio, add outdoor furniture, solar lights, and planters. One room at a time, one beautiful choice at a time. You absolutely have this. And that is a wrap on our complete summer farmhouse tour. Every room, every corner, every beautiful little detail, all styled with the magic of IKEA and a whole lot of heart. I hope you are feeling inspired, energized, and genuinely excited to bring these ideas to life in your own home. Remember, great design is never about a big budget. It is about intentionality, creativity, and knowing what you love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly helps this channel grow and reach more home lovers just like you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which room are you tackling first this summer? I read every single one. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do it right now and hit that notification bell. We post fresh home design ideas every single week, and I would love to have you as part of the Daily House Ideas family. Until next time, keep designing with joy.